Waze showing no GPS or only an approximate location instead of your exact position. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue step by step. First, open your phone settings and go to your location. Make sure location services are turned on. Then, open the app permissions, find Waze, and make sure it has permission to access your location while you're using the app. Next, check that your phone's location accuracy feature is enabled. If you're using Android, also make sure Wi-Fi or Bluetooth scanning is available if your device provides these options. Now, close Waze completely and reopen the app. Move to an area with a clear view of the sky because buildings, underground areas, and other obstructions can affect GPS accuracy. If Waze still shows no GPS, restart your phone and check for available Waze or system updates. And that's how to fix Waze when it shows no GPS or an approximate location. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.